Now I show a summary about what is going on the IDS 2023. Fala pessoal, estamos aqui em Cologne, na Alemanha, congresso excelente, com novidades muito boas. Olá a todos, les voy a enseñar ahora lo que está pasando aquí en Cologne en la nueva IDS 2023. IDS, the most famous commercial exposition in dentistry. Take a look what's going on here. I am in the stand of Stratasys, a 3D printer manufacturer, and they have here a 3D printer that 3D prints a complete denture in a single step. So this is the TrueDent, okay? So it's a 3D printing method of Stratasys company, and they 3D print an entire prosthesis. So not first the teeth and then the structure as usual. They 3D print everything in a single step. We are here at Litos, and what they have here is amazing. They are 3D printing hydroxyapatite as a source of bone graft. Okay, so the bone graft is 3D printed with the shape of the bone atrophy, of the bone defect. Here's the software from Ray company, which allows for the alignment of Cbct intraoral scan and facial scan in a way that is completely automatic, so without needing to select common point, for example. Hey guys, take a look at the size of this portable X-ray source.